Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be putting the hood struts in on this 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for joining me for part 2 of the Jeep Grand Cherokee project. Today I'm going to be putting the hood struts in on this, and it's actually a pretty easy job to do here. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is pop the hood open and then put something in there to support that. So I'll use that to support the hood. And then the hood strut has these little retainer clips here. There's one here. There's one on the bottom here as well. And just need to use a little 90-degree hook to get in there. Alright, so I'll just use this hook to grab that retainer. Pull that out just a little bit. And that will come off of there. And then we just need to do the same on the bottom. And that just comes right off. Then the new one just pops into place here. And there we go, that's on there. Hood, again, it just pushes right on, and then that's nice and secure. And that is the hood strut for the driver's side. Just got to repeat it for that side over there. Alright, again, it's just these two clips. Just pull that, and that comes off. And then the one on the bottom. There we go. That's off. Again, we'll just pop this on here. And pop that on up there. There we go, and that is on. I should be able to take this prop rod out. And look at that, the hood stays up. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.